Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a video mask in SP Page Builder. This is the video mask which I have created. This works in mobile version too. Right now, I am going to show you the entire process to create the video mask. First of all, you need to create a design for masking the video. This is the design which I have created for masking the video. I have already converted this image into a transparent PNG and saved into Joomla image folder. Let's move to SP Page Builder front end. For time saving, I have created a section with a two column. I have added a heading and a text block. In the next column, I am going to insert a new row. In the row settings, set the padding as 0 for all sides. Then in the enable background options, I am going to insert the video. So here the video is playing. Make sure the play video in loop is S. Next, I am going to insert an image for mask on top of it. So I am going to remove this image. I am going to apply my mask, and there is a default margin there, so I am going to remove that as well. I'm going to save it. So here on the four sides we can see a 1 pixels spacing between the image and the video. For that, I'm going to do a simple trick, giving a negative spacing with a 1 pixels. So almost the design is done. Now we need to increase the video column part. For that, we're going to session settings, take the style tab. In the section width, I'm going to add 760 pixels width, and in the margin, I'm going to give a negative margin of 60. These are the adjustments which I have played around, so I know. So according to your design, you can play it around. So here I need the image is overlapping, so I need to, for the text block, I need to add a padding. So it's padding, it's already added. Okay, so I'm going to just save it, and let's see in the full screen view. So almost our image and masking is looking very perfect. So now we can go to the tab version. So tab versions looking perfectly for me, but still there is a spacing. So here I'm going to adjust a margin to 0 pixels. Going to next to the mobile version. So in the mobile version also I am going to add the pixels, but the image width, section width is pretty much outside the area, so I am going to add a 360 pixels. Okay, it looks perfect for me. If you want, you can increase. Sometimes some of the video height may be out of the mask like this, so you may need to check this value also proper for you. This is it. So we can check the our completed part. So this is the video mask option which I have experientially done. So I have done a couple more masking. So one is this, and this I have added a pillar kind of masking effect, and I have added some adjustment with the negative margin of the section as absolute position. And the next one is similar to the first one, so but entirely a different blob design. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any questions or suggestions or feedback, please comment below. If you like the video, please do like the video and share. Thank you.